Good morning. No key. What's the magic number? Right, we are off on our travels this morning, and the plan is Lobos Island. So we've got a lot of Sahara dust in the air. Had it yesterday, got it today. And over there is Lanzarote, but it's looking very hazy.
You couldn't see that yesterday though.
No, over there is the island of Lobos. That's where we're heading for today. Waters look a bit choppy this morning as well. Make for an interesting boat crossing. We've booked our boat to Lobos. There are different choices of craft to get you to the island. So it's costing us €30 in total to get us there and back for the two of us.
Not bad, is it?
No. The other thing as well is that since we've arrived here, we thought we needed a Lobos pass, and Elaine's applied for one.
So we've got one.
But the people at the kiosk saying this time of year, in March, you do not need a pass. Apparently you only need a pass to go to Lobos Island in the summer. If you watch all the videos about going to Lobos Island, it will say you need a pass. You need one in the summer. You do not need one this time of year. This is our craft. Water taxi. Let's walk this island.
So we've been to 5 islands in the Canaries. We've been to Gran Canaria, Lanzarote and
La Graciosa.
and now we've done Fuerteventura and Los Lobos. So it's 5.
Cool.
But we've still to go to the biggest, which is Tenerife.
May seem obvious, but this is the highest point on the island.
There's people at the top.
Wow. Have to keep to the trail at all times. It's a nice bay. Probably come back here afterwards and relax. La Caldera. Just round here. Right, let's do this. Let's climb to the top. We made it. the very top. Yay! So over there is Lanzarote, and the view of this island is quite spectacular. Heading back down, we're going to make our way to the lighthouse. Back down to the level playing field. We can only imagine in that direction is a lighthouse. It's a very rocky landscape with very clear paths. Clear paths all the way around the island. We're going to have walked all of this island. That was the lighthouse. It was fun to stop and have some lunch. We're shaded here, not so much wind. It's a very windy island otherwise. Okay, this is where the path forks. Left or right? Decide now. Left it is. And we're heading to a salt marsh. Very old and left to ruin. Good view of the highest point on the island. Over here. Crikey! We went to the top of there. Can't even see the lighthouse now. Well behind us. And in front, we must be getting pretty close to the salt marsh. And as if on cue, here we are. Looks quite green here. Very green, in fact. So that's where the restaurant was. continuing on around to where we dropped off, and just beyond that, a nice little beach. Found this nice little beach. Thought we'd relax here before we catch the ferry back. Back where it all started. Join the merry throng and wait for a boat. Enjoyed today then?
I did enjoy it. It doesn't look too bad, but the boat ride, it's choppy. It was fun for a bit, but there was an option of going in a smaller dinghy type speedboat. It takes 10 minutes, but no way.
No way.
So I think we've picked the right water taxi. Go for the yellow water taxi. 15 euros each return. Really good value.
Yes.
Yeah, it was a good day. Enjoyed it.
And another Canary Island ticked off.